Hi there, my name is Orion with Ivrydbook. Welcome to Success Unleashed. I am here to make learning a fun and exciting adventure. Get ready, little learners, as we embark on a digital journey of knowledge with computers. Are you excited? Let's get started. CompTIA A+. What is CompTIA A+? Imagine CompTIA A+ as a special certificate that shows you're really good at computers. It's like a gold star for being a computer expert. Why is it important? You know how superheroes need to have special powers to save the day? Well, this certificate is your superpower in the world of computers. It helps you get good jobs and solve computer problems. Hardware and software. Computers have two main parts, hardware and software. Hardware is like the stuff you can touch, and software is like the things that make the computer work, but you can't touch them. Inside the computer. Computers have a brain called the CPU, memory, RAM to remember things, and a hard drive to store stuff. Think of the CPU as the boss, memory like a desk to work on, and the hard drive like a giant filing cabinet. Operating system, OS. Imagine the operating system like the boss of the computer. It tells everything what to do, like Windows or Mac. Troubleshooting. Sometimes computers get sick, just like people. We'll learn how to fix common problems like slow computers and how to clean up viruses, not the sneezy kind. Networking. This is like how people talk to each other using phones. We'll learn about connecting computers to the internet and making sure they can talk to each other. Security. We'll also learn how to protect the computer from bad people who want to do naughty things. It's like putting a lock on your diary. Printers and other devices, computers, can talk to printers, cameras, and other things. We'll learn how to make them friends and work together. Preparation for the exam. Just like when you practice coloring inside the lines, you'll need to practice by answering questions and doing hands-on tasks. You can use study guides and online resources to help. Remember, asking questions when you don't understand something is okay. We'll take it one step at a time, and I'll explain things in a way that makes sense. Do you have any specific topics or questions you'd like to start with? Get a paper, pen, or pencil and write them down. Let's get started with the first topic.